If you're spending hours on your website and still struggling to rank higher in search, it might not be your content. It could be some simple SEO mistakes you're making without even knowing it. In this video, we're breaking down SEO mistakes that could be quietly holding back your site and showing you how to resolve them. First up, mistake number 1, not using an SEO plugin. With WordPress, a plugin like All-in-One SEO is a game changer for optimizing your content, and it's going to help solve a few issues that I'm going to talk about next. It's super quick and easy to install All-in-One SEO. Just install it like any other plugin, head to plugins and then click on Add New, then search for AIO SEO. Now click on Install and then Activate. That's it. I recommend using the fantastic setup wizard to get the basics configured and then continue with this video. The next mistake is ignoring XML sitemaps. Imagine trying to navigate a city without a map. Well, that's what it's like for search engines when your website doesn't have an XML sitemap. Important parts of your site could be skipped over entirely. Don't worry, if you've installed All-in-One SEO, it's automatically generated one for you. You can view your sitemap by hovering your cursor over All-in-One SEO in the dashboard and clicking on Sitemaps. Then click on the Open Sitemap button. You'll now see all the sitemaps being generated by All-in-One SEO. To view the pages or posts under a sitemap, click on that sitemap. You'll now see the individual pages or posts for that sitemap along with some important information. This is what a search engine sees, so it can easily find the content on your site. Okay, up next is having a poor URL structure. If your URLs look like this, basically a string of random numbers and letters, then both users and search engines get confused. Instead, what we want are clean, descriptive URLs, and this is an easy fix even without a plugin. All you need to do is head to your WordPress settings, click on permalinks, and then choose a simple structure like post name. It's that easy. The next mistake is a big one, keyword stuffing. Overloading your content with keywords not only makes it unreadable, but search engines can also penalize your site for it. What we want to try and focus on is writing naturally and only include keywords where they fit. Something that can help with this is All-in-One SEO's on-page SEO tools. All you need to do is open the block editor for the page or post you're working on, then scroll down to the All-in-One SEO settings. Under the General tab, there's a section called Focus Key Phrase. This is where you can add the keywords or phrases you'd like to focus on for this content. You'll then get some actionable suggestions on how to incorporate that into the content, and if you click on the little drop down next to each, it gives you some more information, which is pretty helpful. Now, these mistakes are surprisingly common, even for experienced website owners. Believe me, I've been there. But addressing them can also give you a significant boost. Take the next mistake, for example, not using alt text for images. Search engines can't see what's in an image, but by using alt text, we can tell them what's in an image on our website and improve our overall rankings in search results, especially if we use keywords within that alt text. To add some alt text to an image you're using within content, click on the image in the block editor, and in the block settings panel to the right, you should see a section for alt text. This is where you want to write something that describes the image whilst incorporating some keywords. You can also do this from the dashboard by clicking on Media and searching for the image you want. Then, to add the alt text for this image, simply click on it and type your text into the alternative text section. Then that will be saved automatically. Another overlooked area is your meta title and description. These are like your website headlines in search results, and if they're missing or poorly written, then you're leaving clicks on the table. Making sure each page or post has a unique, compelling meta title and description is super easy in All-in-One SEO. If you remember the keyword section within the block editor from earlier, you probably have noticed the meta title and description area under the general settings. From here, all you need to do is create an interesting title and description that could compel someone to click on your page or post in the search results. To make this super easy, you can also use AI to help you with this by giving it your original title and description and asking it to generate 10 alternatives for you to choose from. All-in-One SEO actually has a trick up its sleeve where you can connect your own OpenAI account in the settings and then click on the Use AI Generator button next to the page title and meta description to get 5 title and descriptions to choose from which speeds up that process. The next mistake is not utilizing internal linking. Internal links help guide both search engines and users through your site, making sure that valuable content isn't hidden. Plus, internal links can help spread link equity, which can boost the SEO of your other pages. A tip here is to add keyword-rich anchor text, that's the text that you link from, to relevant pages and posts on your site. This can be done by navigating to the content you want to link from, find a point in the text that feels like it would be a useful place to add a link, change the text if needed to incorporate a keyword, then highlight the anchor text. To add the link, click on the link button and search for the page you would like to link to, and select it from the options. Then click on Save to make those changes live. Doing this regularly for newer pages from established pages on your site helps it to be picked up quickly by search engines. The Pro version of All-in-One SEO has a super cool link assistant tool that analyzes your site and then suggests where to place links in your content. It makes the linking process super simple. And here's my bonus tip. Improving the quality of your content is one of the best ways to boost your SEO. High quality, engaging content keeps visitors on your site for longer and encourages them to explore more. So here's a video to help with that.